Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I'm still using my iPhone 7 to make videos even though I got the iPhone 13, but I am going to switch to the iPhone 13. I just have everything on one thing, so I can't wait to use it though and see if you guys notice the difference of the quality of my videos, you know, in the future. When I start to use it, and maybe I won't even mention it, I'm just gonna use it and see if anyone notices the quality difference at all, and then I'll see what's up. This is going to be a review of the iCRIMP PEX Cinch and Removal tool set. I just got this because I'm new to the PEX Cinch and Removal. I used to use cinch in with Pepsi and Coca-Cola when I used to work for at fast food restaurants and repair their crap. I used to use the cinch set to, like I said, work on the Coca-Cola soda lines and stuff like that. You'll notice they use the crimp system. So this is supposed to come with what? The clamp tool right here, and then I got extra cutter because these cutters do wear out after cutting a lot of PEX and stuff like that. These can start to wear, so I'm not going to sharpen it. They're only a couple dollars. I just got a new one to replace it. So I got the 1/2-inch stainless steel clamp, PEX clamps in here, and 3/4, which we're not going to be using because I'm not in commercial. Well, I used to be, but not anymore. Here's what the back says, the instructions, so you guys can see that and pause it or do whatever you want to do. This is the 3/4 inch that, like I said, I'm probably not going to be using. This is what they look at close up. So this is what a set looks like if you guys are going to get you know, involved in it the first time, you know, in your house. This is be a decent set, I guess, for you. It had good reviews. So here's the 1/2-inch. See, it even says PEX. The ones that Pepsi and Coke used to have numbers on here, but we had like 30 different numbers and all different. There was so many different sizes. It was crazy. So these are the size differences right there. That's what they look like. You just crimp this thing together, the ring, and it squeezes. That's it. This stainless steel ring on top of the PEX, and is supposed to make a leak-proof connection. So we're going to do the little test. Let's see how easy it is. So we got to cut this to size, right? So this isn't on. I'm going to take this steel one off, and we're going to try the stainless steel on the both of these because it's supposed to be really easy. So I'm going to slide it on over like that. Put this on really tight. Okay, this I need to cut. All right, so let's see. This looks like the same cutter I've been using. So let me just pretty much squeeze it right here. Should be good. Yeah, right. Yeah, I still got play too. All right, done. Oh, cuts it like butter. It's brand new. I mean, I would expect that. Blade that I found in my shed. I don't know what the hell's on it, but it's disgusting. Okay. All right, now they're both on. All right, let's give it that you know, little bit of space, and then we just crimp it on right there. It's supposed to be really easy. I mean, these stay on a little bit tighter than the rings, I notice, which is cool, right? I mean, that's a good thing. So they do stay on tighter than the, as you can see, they do stay on tighter than the copper rings that you clamp down. Okay, so let's see how this tool works. What do you pull on this tab? Oh, okay. I guess you have to go all the way out. I don't even know how to work this. See, look, I'm going to show you, look. So I guess it goes all the way in, and then you crimp it down. And then this was locked, I think. I think you can lock it. Oh, yeah, see, look, it's locked. So there is a lock on it, see, so that it won't open if you want to keep it in your tool case. There's something here. Turn 1 next to the red dot for clamping. Turn 2 for cutting. Oh, okay. So now I got it on that way. And I don't know. Oh, look. Okay. So now, look, I can't even open it. Look, it totally locks. Okay. In the number 2 position, I guess that's what it does. Look, it locks and it will not open. See? And now it won't open. I can't open this up. Now, if I go like this, let's see what happens if we switch it back to 1. I'm just learning this with you guys, sorry. I'm not a professional, so I'm teaching you at the same time as teaching me. So let's see. Now that I have it on one, let's see what it does. See? See, now I can open it and close it. Okay, that's the difference. Got it. All right, let's get this thing clamped. I think that's enough playing around. So there's the clamps that I'm going to do. Let's see how easy it is because, like I said, I don't have the same grip that I used to. So this will be a good system for older people or someone that has the same back problem that I do and you're not able to, you know. All right, well, I let some water out. That's how you crimp it. It's on really tight. I think, you know, when you break it, you're supposed to go like this and it snaps it off or something, but I'm not going to waste them because I don't, you know, not yet anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it for the review on me crimping it, seeing what's up. I can't water test it because all the rest of my line isn't hooked up. I'm still working on my project if you're watching my other videos. So yeah, I can't do anything about that. But that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, well, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. Everyone enjoy and have a good one. Be safe. Bye-bye.